It's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So as you can see, I have that beaded wood round from the Dollar Tree. I have a piece of the color copy paper, and what I did was pressed the color copy paper on the inside of the wood round so that I could get the imprint of it. Now I am cutting out the imprint, and now I am tracing my template onto this wallpaper. I want to say copy paper, onto this beautiful wallpaper. You saw that in a Dollar Tree haul that I brought to the channel, and now I am just making sure that it fits nice and snug on the inside of this wood round. This is going to be a monogrammed piece, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it because I think it turned out really cute. And of course, because I am Joy, I will be using the letter J. And what I did was just made sure that it fit. Now I am getting ready to apply some of the Mod Podge on the inside of the wood circle, and that's only to add extra security for this piece. And I ended up using more than what I should have, but that's okay. I just went around the entire perimeter of this beaded wood round with the Mod Podge. And now I am removing the backing off the sticky part of this wallpaper. And guys, look at that wallpaper. It is so pretty. And that's really all that I'm going to do with it, outside of making sure that the wallpaper fits nicely on the inside of the wood round. And now I am getting ready to paint the letter J. As I stated, this is going to be a monogrammed piece, a wall decor piece. And I actually have this piece now hanging near my home office, and I think it's just really pretty. And now I am painting the letter J in the color ink. It is a Waverly brand chalk paint that you can find at Walmart. And now I have this leather little like, I want to call it a rope, but just leather stringy thing, rope. And I actually bought this from Temu, and it was like maybe $1.24. And I am using that as the hanger for this piece, and I am securing this some more by adding some of that burlap to the back of it. And now I'm moving on to DIY number 2. This is going to be a riser or a tray. Now I am going to use the rest of that wallpaper, and I did end up painting this piece all black using the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink. If you remember, this was a part of the roses haul that was included in the Dollar Tree haul, and I will link that video in the description of this video so you can go take a look at it. And now all I'm doing is just making sure that this wallpaper fits nice and snug on top of it. And because I dried the Mod Podge, I want to reactivate it by using my mini little iron to just reactivate the Mod Podge and make it stick really well. And now we're moving on to project number 3. This is an inspired piece. I actually saw something similar on Tiny Home living. I love watching those shows, and they had this succulent wall piece. And so I decided to take this shadow box, and this is one that I found at, or actually purchased at Michael's. And I am just using this for my design. And all I'm doing is taking some of these succulents. If you are a regular on my channel, you do know that I enjoy creating things using succulents. And I am just taking just random succulents, cutting off the stems, and just gluing it down inside this piece. And this is going to turn out really, really pretty. I absolutely love this piece. And you know, I kept all the backing on it. So this is a piece that you can let lie flat, and or you can hang it on a wall. Now the piece that was the inspired piece, and I will include a picture of it in this section of the video, but the inspired piece was totally huge, and this is a smaller scale. But guys, if you want to recreate this, all you need is some succulents, and you can get the artificial succulents, and or you can just buy real succulents. And of course, the real succulents, you're going to have to take care of them, so keep that in mind. But you can recreate this piece using just some artificial succulents, and you can purchase those at the Dollar Tree and or anywhere where succulents are sold. So while you watch me just fill in this piece with succulents, I just want to welcome all of my new subscribers to the channel, and I also want to welcome back all of my returning subscribers. I appreciate each and every last one of you for rocking with your girl. You know, this journey on YouTube is a commitment, and I enjoy every single minute of it. I really, 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 really do. So for that, I say thank you. And also, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. So now you see me with this Spanish moss, and all I'm doing is just applying it all around the bald spots or openings in this piece. This is going to enhance this piece even more. And I don't know if I captured the additional greenery that I added, but there was some like boxwoods that I included in the bald spots, and it really, really enhanced the look of this project. So yeah, you guys gotta let me know what you think of this particular piece. And also guys, I am praying that you all have had a great weekend. Tomorrow, the Fab Five will be uploading our collab video to our respective channels. There is a playlist that will be available, so make sure you check out the community tab of my channel for that video and the playlist. And also guys, it's almost August. What do you think about that? I'm like, oh my gosh, time is winding up, boy. It's almost the end of the year. And I can't wait, because I will be crafting for Christmas soon. And as you can see, I am just filling in the blanks or bald spots in this piece. I'm just going to continue to sit quiet while you watch me do this, and then when we get to the next clip, I will bring you more commentary. Until then, just sit back and enjoy the music. And this is where you see me add those extra little stems. I think these actually came from Dollar Tree and not the boxwoods from Walmart. And if you hear that little tune, that is my dryer. I am downstairs creating, doing the voiceover. So now you see me doing, I have another shadow box, and this shadow box came from, I want to say this one came from Michael's as well. And I am just painting this entire piece in the color ink. It is the Waverly brand chalk paint, and you can find this paint again at Walmart. And so I am painting this piece because similarly to what we just did in that project, I am recreating it on a smaller scale using some of those emerald stones or those emerald little rocks. And then as you can see, I am trimming up the top portion just to break up some of that the black, and using some of that moss chalk paint. And now I have added some Mod Podge on the inside of this piece. And as you can see, I am using that Eileen's clear glue because I want this to be just basically not come apart and just be stuck together. And that way you can manipulate it. You can, if you want to end up hanging up this piece, you can. And that Eileen's work really, really well once it sets and dries. And so initially I was going to try, because this was like a, again, this was a shadow box, and it had a little glass slider, but it wouldn't fit over my succulent piece. And so I said, well, I'll just leave it off. And I ended up just adding more succulents, and I have a lot of succulents, guys. So I was just adding a lot of different succulents to this piece, and it turned out really, really cute. And again, this is a succulent piece using the emerald rocks that you saw me pour into there, and it took about 2 bags to execute this look. And as you can see, wherever the Eileen did not touch the emerald rocks, I made sure to add them to it. And we're moving on to the last DIY in this video. And this is going to be a trash to treasure piece. And I basically just took a can and I just painted over it and wiped off the paint immediately using some of that ink paint. And as you can see, I have a succulent, added some rocks, added some moss around it, and that's it. You see the twine and wrapped at the bottom half of this piece, some of that beautiful lace ribbon on top of it just to clean up that edge. And now I'm creating a jute twine bow, and of course I burn all the frays off my rope. And that's going to be it for this. All these projects, I cannot say I have a favorite because I like all of them. I think they all turned out amazing. It's cute. So you guys gotta leave in the comments which one of these projects were your favorites. Even if if you didn't have a favorite, it's okay. Just say you didn't have one. I'm okay with that. And guys, we're headed into the reveal. Now, what do you think of this, guys? I think this monogram wall decor piece or wall hanging using that wood round turned out cute. And I did style this using my lanterns and this geometric figure that I created using some of those Walmart dinnerware, plastic dinnerware. And then here's the riser or tray. I think this turned out so cute using that wallpaper. I think that wallpaper is gorgeous. You guys gotta let me know what you think about it. And then I just styled it with this cactus little picture that you can find at the Dollar Tree with some boxwoods that I just stuck down in there. And I again styled it using my lanterns that was made pre-YouTube. And then here is the succulent wall decor, and I think this turned out so pretty. And again, this was an inspired piece from a tiny home series that I was looking at, and I was like, that'll be really cute. And as you can see, I did style it vertical as well as horizontal, and I think this turned out really cute. And then now we move into the next one, this next succulent display, wherein I'm using the emerald rocks, and I did style it again using the monogram letter J decor piece that was created, and I think this turned out amazing. And then last of the succulent decor is this trash to treasure. I think this turned out super cute, and this was a last minute piece that I decided to add to the channel. And now I am showing you all of the pieces that were created all together. I think these are very cute. The picture doesn't know justice. And guys, again, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. And until the next DIY, bye.